I'm Arima Khanam. As you know it already, I welcome you all to Balaji Online Classes. I'm here to illustrate the next chapter, that is lesson number 9, Rats on the Train. इस नाम से ही आपको पता चलता होगा कि ये जो स्टोरी है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, हिलेरियस है और बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाला है इसे पढ़ने में, and we are going to enjoy it a lot. But before that, before my illustration, I would like to show you an animation so that you will read the chapter and understand it better. So let's have a look. तो ये एक कहानी है जिसमें कुछ कैरेक्टर्स थे, कुछ बॉयज़ थे, एंड जो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट और सबसे पावरफुल बिगेस्ट था उसका नाम था बिखन, and there was an elderly man, and there was a secretary who will be seen in the story, and there are two vendors. So क्या होता है कि after the school vacation, the boys were going back to their school. तो वो लोग ट्रेन में ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं, तभी एक elderly man boarded the train, and the boys were making fun of their new teacher, and they said that we'll be taught by the new teacher and we will not let him stay longer, and his name is Kali Kumar Tarkalankar, and they just made fun of the new teacher. When the elderly man boarded the train, he was carrying a bedroll, a few bundles, a big trunk and two larger earthen pots. So he came there. The boys started shouting and said कि कहाँ आप आ रहे हैं, आपको दिख नहीं रहा है कि the coach is totally full, where are you going to sit? So he said कि मुझे थोड़ी सी बस प्लेस दे दीजिए आप लोग, and I will not be disturbing you, please let me sit here. I know the coach is full but I also need to travel to my destination. The elderly man rolls out his bedding on the floor and he sits comfortably on it. तो वो अपना रोल खोलता है, बेड रोल, और वो वहाँ फ्लोर पे बिछा के वो वहाँ पर बैठ जाता है. Then what happened? The boys started telling him that we are going to have a new teacher and his name is Kalo Kumar Tatkalanka. The elderly man said, what are you saying? In Bengali this means black pumpkin and red hot chili. The boy said, yeah, I know that, we know it, so we are just making fun of the new teacher and we don't want him to come to our school. The boys laughed loudly while the man begins to read a newspaper. The man started reading the newspaper and the boys were laughing. तो क्या होता है फिर there came a stop and they reached Asansol. So the elderly man said कि please look after my things, I'm just coming, I need to have a wash. तो वो चला जाता है वहाँ पर से. तभी क्या होता है, the boys started seeing his things and they started looking into the earthen pots that belonged to elderly man. They happily digged into the food, they giggled and laughed, they ate up all the food and they laughed. The elderly man came back and he saw that his things were very light, so he came to know that something happened. तो उन लोगों ने कुछ किया है. तो द बॉय सेड कि देखो यहाँ पर रैट्स हैं और तुम्हारा जो खाना था वो रैट्स ने खा लिया. देन द एल्डरली मैन स्माइल्ड एंड सेड कि अगर मुझे पता होता कि इस ट्रेन में रैट्स हैं तो मैं बहुत सारा खाना लेके आता ताकि वो जो रैट्स हैं वो भूखे ना रहें. Then at a station the boys and the elderly man are seated, to the new station they reached, and they what they did, they changed the train and they got seated. A vendor goes past the window. The man buys the children packets of sweets and mango. So the elderly man bought few things, mangoes and sweets for the boys, and he handed them the packets. तो उन लोगों ने खाया और दे ऑल स्माइल कि उन्होंने कहा, एल्डरली मैन ने बोला कि मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि जो रैट्स हैं इसमें वो भूखे रहें, एंड दे स्माइल टुगेदर. देन ही सेड कि वेयर आर यू गोइंग? सो दे सेड वी आर गोइंग टू बैक टू आवर स्कूल, एंड they also asked him, the elderly man, ki who are you? So he said, I am a teacher, I am looking for a job. So he said, I am looking for a job and I am also a teacher and I teach Sanskrit. Then the boy said ki why don't you join our school and teach us Sanskrit, because we are also going to have a new teacher. तो हम लोग नहीं चाहते हैं कि वो न्यू टीचर हमारे स्कूल में आए, कालो कुमार टटका लंका, हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि वो आए. So he said, okay, let me just see. तो फिर उसके बाद they came to their destination and they saw that there came a secretary of the school. So the boys were very surprised. They said कि ये क्यों आया यहाँ पर? तो they laughed and said कि maybe वो हमें receive करने आया होगा. When the train stopped, the children and the elderly man stand up to get off the train. The boys get off the train after the elderly man has descended. The later he received by a respectable man, the secretary. So he was received by the respectable man, the secretary. Secretary said, welcome sir, welcome Master Tarkalankar, I welcome you to our school. So he said ki I welcome you to this place, to our school. The boys were all surprised and calm. The secretary bends to touch the elderly man's feet. The boy is looked at their new teacher in utter amazement. The elderly man smiles at them and pats at the secretary on his shoulder. So he did tell him that I was only going to be the new teacher in your school. और वो देख रहा था कि how naughty the boys could be. और वो स्माइल करता है और उनसे कहता है कि थैंक यू फॉर वेलकमिंग मी, एंड ही पैट्स ऑन द सेक्रेटरीज शोल्डर. So this is it. I hope you must have understood by seeing the video and my illustration. You must have understood everything. So what you have to do is just download the exercises from School Mitra and start doing it in your books and copies. And take care of yourself, and meanwhile wait for my next video. Bye bye.